Let's be honest, life throws financial curveballs. Maybe that car needs an unexpected repair or groceries cost more than you budgeted. Whatever the reason, a little extra cash between paychecks can be a lifesaver. That's where apps like Klover come in. But before you jump in, let's break down exactly how Klover works and see if it's the right fit for you. So, how does Klover help you stretch your paycheck? Unlike traditional loans, Klover offers what they call an advance. They basically give you access to a portion of your already earned income before your next payday. Sounds pretty neat, right? Here's the thing. Klover isn't a bank. They don't do credit checks and there are no hidden interest fees. That might sound too good to be true, but there's a catch. We'll get to that in a minute. Getting started with Klover. First things first, you'll need to download the Klover app. Once you're in, creating an account is pretty straightforward. You'll provide some basic info like your name, address, and link your checking account. Now, here's the key part. Klover analyzes your spending habits through your bank statements. Based on this info, they determine if you're eligible for an advance and, if so, how much. How much can you borrow with Klover? This depends entirely on your individual situation. Klover starts everyone off with a small advance limit, typically around $100. As you use the app responsibly and repay your advances on time, that limit can increase, potentially reaching up to $225. All right, what's the catch? Remember, there's no interest with Klover. So, how do they make money? Here's where things get interesting. When you request an advance, Klover gives you the option to add an optional tip. This tip is essentially a way to fast-track your advance. If you choose the free option, it might take a few business days for the money to hit your account. But with a tip, you can get the cash instantly. Is Klover right for you? Klover can be a helpful tool, especially for those unexpected expenses. There are no sneaky fees, and it won't wreck your credit score. However, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Here's why. Don't borrow more than you can afford to repay. Remember, that advance is coming out of your next paycheck. Think twice about using the instant advance option. The tip can add up quickly, especially if you use Klover frequently. Klover isn't a long-term solution. It's meant for emergencies, not to cover ongoing expenses. Alternatives to consider. Klover is a great option for some, but there are other avenues to explore. Talk to your employer. Some companies offer emergency pay advance programs. Reach out to a friend or family member. Borrowing from loved ones can be an interest-free option, but be sure to have a clear repayment plan. Consider a side hustle. There are tons of ways to bring in some extra cash, from freelancing to online gigs. The bottom line. Klover can be a valuable tool for managing your finances between paychecks. Just remember to use it responsibly, track your spending, and explore alternative options if needed. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.